In this video, we're going to look at what the argument of a complex number is. Now, we've looked at the modulus, which is the length of a line. Now, the argument is the angle that the complex number creates with the x-axis. And when we're talking about that, we're talking about the principal x-axis here, the positive x-axis. So I'm just going to draw this in, and we're not going to work any arguments out right now. We're just going to have a look at what they are. So for this red one, this z, which is 5 plus 5i, the argument is measured clockwise like that. And that will be theta for the red one. And that's obviously a positive value. So anti-clockwise is positive. We can keep going around clockwise to create an argument for this blue one, which is -3 minus 2i. So I can go around like this and create an argument for this blue one. And that's still a positive angle. So that's the argument for W. What we can also do is if it's more than pi radians, we can go clockwise. So rather than going anti-clockwise, we can go clockwise and we can create this argument. And this argument would then have a negative value. So let's use that as phi. But because I've come clockwise around, it becomes negative. So an argument can be positive or negative. And in general, a kind of general rule is that your argument is between 0 and 2 pi, never goes above 2 pi. So that would be, if I came around clockwise, it would be 0 to 2 pi. Or I will go from minus pi to pi. So if it was in this quadrant or this quadrant, quadrant 3 and 4, I might use a minus. If it was in the first two, I might use a plus. But you will also see arguments between 0 and 2 pi where it comes all the way around. In the next couple of videos, we'll have a look at how we can actually work out these arguments.